Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a 50 Ford truck. Yep, actually it's not a 54 truck, it's a 50 Ford truck. It's a F1 too. It's got a Flathead V8 in it, beautifully restored. It was done 4 or 5 years ago. Great looking red paint job on it, just a beauty, man. All steel, of course. Baby moons on it, wide whites. I believe those are radial tires. We'll take a nice close look at them here in a minute when we get it up on the lift. As you can see, the interior, they've upgraded that seat a little bit. I don't think those guys ever did a seat that nice back in 1950. It's looking sweet. The whole interior's all been redone. Carpeting, dash is all looking sweet. She's a beauty. We've got an extra gauge mounted underneath the dash there. Just a gorgeous truck here. You can see the reflections in the paint on the inner door panel there. Running board steel, of course. Baby moons are looking sweet. Take a look at this wood bed in here. Now the wood bed is showing just a little bit of age on it. Still in beautiful shape, looks like oak. It's got a nice clear finish on it. You can see the paint work here. Nice reflection on the paint there, looking good. I'm gonna get my little clicker here so I can get this truck moving around in circles here. Take a look at this beauty. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that tailgate. Tailgate looks brand new, bed sides look brand new. Look at the reflections there. It looks like a big red mirror up front there. When you look down the passenger side here, she's straight as an arrow. Got dual exhaust coming out the back there. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. We buy all of our vehicles here at Vanguard. Right now we have a little over 200 cars in stock, and we own every one of these cars. So you can bet we spent the time to check them out before we buy them. The first thing we do to every one of the cars here at Vanguard is we get them up on the lift, check them all out so that we can answer every one of your questions when you call at 248-974-9513. So call Tom anytime. Now, Tom answers his phone 7 days a week and practically 24 hours a day, so you can give him a call anytime you'd like. He'll tell you anything you need to know about any one of our cars in inventory. Now, we're bringing in about 40 new cars every month, so we've always got new stuff coming in. So check us out often. Take a look at us on Facebook, Instagram, and our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. Now, I've been in the business about 35 years. I use that experience every day to help you pick out your dream car. Let's take this old school Ford pick-em-up truck for a ride. What a sweet ride we got right here, guys. We're ready to go. Let's go to this store and pick up some victuals. Man, this thing is cool, guys. She's sweet. 3 on the tree and ready to go. This is back when trucks were trucks. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this truck anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Now Tom will explain to you just how easy it is to ship this truck anywhere you live in the world. You just give him a call. He answers his phone 7 days a week and practically 24 hours a day. So you can call anytime. Also, we can help you out with financing, no problem whatsoever. We got a bunch of different bankers we work with on financing, no problem whatsoever. And we're gonna do something here in a minute nobody else does to all their vehicles. We're gonna put this baby up in the air so you can see just how nice the bottom side is. We're gonna pop the hood. We're gonna show you under the hood. We're gonna show you everything. Look down here on the dash. Everything's still old school on the dash too. See how easy this baby shifts? Isn't this baby sweet? She's beautiful. It's had a signal stat added to it. I don't believe this thing probably didn't have turn signals when it was brand new. Those had to be added later. Man, this thing is cool. Now, most of these trucks will run into the ground because these babies had to go to work for a living. Not like today. No soccer moms in this baby. Nobody driving the kids to school in this thing. Look at that. We're getting a thumbs up from that guy. These babies went to the mill with a load of corn on, making money. Now, we invite you to come check it out in person. We have well over 200 cars and trucks in stock at all times. And we're buying anywhere between 40 and 50 new units every month. So we've always got new, exciting inventory coming in. So please check out our website often. We've always got new stuff coming in, guys. We're right outside the airport here in Detroit. Only 20 minutes away if you'd like to come visit us. And you can drive in also. We're open on Saturdays. Just call Tom, let him know you're coming. Here's our shop. We're at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. And you got to stick with us now because now's when we're going to put it up in the air and show you just how pretty the underside of this beauty is. All right, we're underneath this beautiful old truck now, and you can see it's got dual exhaust. Those pipes look like they're brand new. The frame's all painted up. The wood looks like it's brand new. Tires look like they're brand new. Rear fenders don't look like there's any patchwork or anything there. Those are all metal, looking good. All coated, looking good. The brakes, the guys will check those all out. They pull them all apart and check them. The brake lines look like they're new. We got a Ford 9-inch rear end in here. It's got right around a 350 gear in it, and it is an open rear end. We got old Smithy mufflers. Those are like a glass pack muffler. Running boards are steel. There no patchwork or anything on them either. Looking good. Bottom side of the cab also looks good. Looks like the gas tank's in the stock location. Everything under here is all nicely coated, looking good. We got the 3-speed side loader trans, which is fairly correct for this truck. The brake master cylinders mounted down here to the frame, just like it would have been from the factory. We got the straight front axle, just like from the factory. The brakes up front. The guys will pull those all apart, make sure they're in good working order. The front fenders up here, also steel, just like from the factory. And again, no patchwork or anything, looking good. Front valance, everything looking good here. Front bumper looks like it's brand new steel. Everything's looking good. Just beautiful under here. Nice and clean, nicely painted. Front tires also look like they're brand new. They're wide whites. We got baby moons here. Now the moons do look like they got a little age to them. These are Coker Classic tires. We got two 75 15s on these. Come out back here. Again, like I said earlier, these are brand new. They're probably the same size. Two 75 15s on these too. And again, those moons, besides that ugly face I see in there, are looking good. Of course, my cameraman looks a lot better than I do. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we got a 239 Flathead, which is period correct for this truck. We got a period correct carb on here, period correct generator. Everything looking sweet under here. They do have upgraded to an aluminum radiator, which is looking all shiny and new under there. Got a great looking brand new battery. Firewall's all painted up. Now that generator has actually been upgraded to an alternator. I know it looks like a generator, but it's a one-wire alternator now, so you don't have to worry about that. All the wiring's looking nice and neat under here. Very, very nice job on the restoration here. Bottom side of the hood's all nicely painted. She is a beautiful truck, guys, looking sweet. Guys, call Tom, 248-974-9513, and my Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.